Okay, I'm going to talk about being a student. I found a wonderful piece of writing many years ago that I incorporated into my class on being a student. And it ended up being 4, possibly 5 steps on being a great student. This comes from the Bushido, which is the teaching of the samurai. And it says that a student should observe his master. When I say observe, it means watch every aspect of what he does in his teaching, where he conducts himself, humor, lightness, heaviness, freedom, any of the aspects of what makes this person a master teacher. That is the first thing you should do, is observe him closely and ask questions, write notes that you can refer to back in your own private meditation time period. The second step, or the second law of being a student, is to imitate what you've been observing. Imitate, from Aristotle, the plagiarist, says to complete or exact duplication. So you want to duplicate exactly what he does in his approach as you've been observing. So that's imitate your master. The next step is to master what you've been imitating. His approach, tools, techniques, personal, whatever. You are to master that. And the last and final rule for a student is to pass your teacher with respect. That's how you become the next master in this genre that you have chosen to study. Anything other than that, you're wasting your time trying to make your teacher your best friend. He's not your friend. If he is trying to be your friend, it doesn't work out well for the two of you. Because a friend's only going to give you advice up into the line where that advice could break that friendship, where a mentor or a real teacher will give you that hard lesson with the anticipation that he can keep you. But the best teacher that I had said this quote: "I risk losing you to keep you. And if you leave, you leave. You go find yourself another teacher, that's great. But if you follow these steps," and he is a master teacher, you could be with him your whole career. If he continues to study and continues to push the craft forward, you may spend a lifetime trying to catch him or trying to pass him, but you will not be stuck at this level of bullshit that many students who come to class get stuck in until they fall out of this art form. So, steps: observe your teacher, imitate what you've been observing, master what you've been imitating, and become the next teacher by passing your teacher. That's it. That's all. And that works in all aspects. Your children should be, if you're a parent, should be trying to do these 4 steps and become greater than you were. You don't want your child to end up being less than you are. We have that problem right now in our society. But This is the easiest and most powerful tool that I've seen to get people to study correctly. The fifth would be my personal lesson as a student, which is in the beginning, to shut my mouth. I talk too much. I find sometimes I'll give that fifth lesson to a student if they end up being the kind of asshole student I was, until I learned these four things to shut my mouth and went down the path. So that's my gift for you this week. Take it, use it. Any comments? Hey, fill it in the comment box or send me a message, and get to it. Have fun. Go out and succeed. Take over. All right. Enjoy.